Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you how to check mic sensitivity in Windows 11 step by step. If your microphone is too quiet, too loud, or picking up too much background noise, so let's get started. So firstly, go to Start menu. Here you will search for Settings. Open Settings. Now go to System, then Sound. Scroll down and find the input section. Like you will see, click on your microphone device. This is my microphone device. You can increase the volume to make your mic sensitive or decrease it if your microphone is too loud. Here it is. You can increase it or decrease it according to your usage. Try speaking while adjusting the slider to test the microphone level. Increase it or decrease it. You will see. So open more sound setting. Again going back to sound and scroll down and click on more sound settings. Here you will see, click on it, a new window will open. Go to the recordings tab, right click on your microphone and select properties, then open the levels tab. Here you will see microphone volume. Increase the microphone level if your voice is low. If available, you can also slightly increase microphone for extra sensitivity. Don't set it too high because it may add background noise. Then click on OK. Now go back to system setting, then choose the device, microphone device. Now under input section, here you will see, click on start test. Speak into your microphone and stop the test to check if the volume improved. Here you will see the volume will be 7%. So that's it. Now you know how to change mic sensitivity in Windows 11 and improve your microphone quality for calls, gaming, recording and online meetings. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.